What's up, guys, and welcome back. For right now, I'm alone. Been hanging out around the house, had some outdoor yard work to do. It took me about 2 hours, and I just finished a shower. And now, I'm heading to the store to get stuff to make Mickey Pretzels and Mickey Premium Bars. We tried Mickey Premium Bars last week, but it was a total fail. Didn't work out at all. So we're gonna try it again a little bit different. We've been watching how some other people have done it. We're hoping it might work out pretty cool, and I'm really excited to make some Mickey Pretzels because that sounds like a great snack today. But for right now, I'm heading to the store, and then when everybody gets home, we're gonna get started. Just got back from the store, and we got ice cream, or I got ice cream. We got Friendly's homemade vanilla ice cream that I'm now gonna put in the freezer because it's so warm out today. That in the 5 minutes it took to get home, that already started melting. So I'm gonna put all this stuff away, and then I'm actually gonna get the dough started for the bread because it takes an hour and a half for it to rise, because we're starting from scratch. So I think that's what I'm gonna do next after I get all this stuff put away. All right, I think I'm all set up. I've gotta get a spoon. Flour and sugar and salt in here. I had to mix a little pink Himalayan sea salt because I had some left. I wanted to get rid of it. So let's mix it up. So I forgot to dissolve the yeast into water. So I had to stop and go back and wait 10 minutes. But I'm ready, I think. So I mixed up all the good stuff. Now I'm gonna add in some oil. And I'm gonna add in the yeasty water. Doesn't that look good? And now I'm gonna mix it all up. So I guess I'm done kneading it. It looks pretty good. Looks a little bit, not too dry, not too wet. It's sitting in a big bowl. I'm really excited about how this might turn out. So the next step is to cover it, and I'm gonna let it sit for an hour, and then everybody should be home by then, and we're gonna start doing all the Mickey Pretzels, and all the ice creams, and all the everything. Just gonna cover it up.
Hey guys!
Oh, it's the Waltons. This wasn't, we didn't prepare this at all. This is how we just always stand.
We stand like this.
Yeah, just always. They're home!
We're home! Yeah.
The kids and the mom are home.
And we're so excited to make Mickey Pretzels and Mickey Premium Bars today. Yeah. Okay, wait.
Last time we didn't get to make premium bars because we didn't know what to do.
Yeah, it wasn't working.
Yeah, so the last week we were gonna do this, and last week what happened was they melted and we just had all the wrong structure.
It was a mess.
It was a disaster.
Yeah.
But this week, we come prepared because I've been watching videos on how other people do it. Yep. So my plan, I'm gonna cut this really fast into 4 pieces.
Is the knife sharpened? Oh, it's nice and frozen.
So we're gonna cut 4 pieces and then we're gonna immediately stick it back in the freezer. So, let's go.
Oh, you're cutting the ice cream box too?
Yeah. I wish I had a chainsaw.
Be careful, Miles.
Much harder than I remember it being last week. Yeah, why don't you move over that way, pal?
Yeah, this ice cream's actually frozen.
Yep.
The other one.
Be careful.
Uh-oh.
Thank you. Well, you know, if this doesn't work, we can just go to Disney and buy Mickey Premium Bars.
Yeah, let's just drive.
There's one.
Okay, one. Got one.
We got one. Oh my goodness.
2.
We got
It's
2.
it's the Michelle cam.
Okay, that one's even thicker.
They're just getting thicker and thicker. as we
Yeah.
go. 1, 2, 3. All right. Well.
I can have 2. I can volunteer to have 2.
Oh, yeah.
Well, you know what? I was planning on having 5 because I have something to tell you.
What?
I'm pregnant. This is my way of telling you that we're having a baby.
And you're the father?
I'm the mother and the father. All right. Can somebody put those in the freezer quick?
It's the aliens.
So I think that went really well. Last week by this time, we were not having so much luck. We're gonna come back in 15 minutes and we're gonna cut Mickey's into each of them.
Okay.
That sound good?
Don't forget
All right.
me.
All right, you ready to check it out?
Yeah.
Let's see.
No.
All right.
I'm gonna do a shot of
They look like they might be okay. Oh no, it's melting so much.
Let's stick the stick in.
I got 2 shakes.
This is gonna be.
They're like Mickey bunnies. Okay, put them in.
Hold on, I got one more in here.
Yeah?
Yep.
No, just put it in.
So anxiety.
Just put it in, Daddy.
No, let's get one more. And then we put it in.
That looks like a. I don't know. Take it and put it in. Okay.
Pretty good.
They're looking all right. I mean, some of them are more intense than others.
Yeah. Some of them are bunnies. Some of them are Judy Hops.
You know what?
What?
They're all gonna look great as soon as you put chocolate on them.
You're right.
And the other thing is, they all taste the exact same.
Exactly. You want to try ice cream?
Oh, you
Yeah.
want to try an ice cream?
I've never had vanilla ice cream before.
I know. I mean, I don't know what this is gonna taste like at all.
Put all the excess together. And you can make another one.
Should we chocolate it right now?
Yes, let's do it.
Enjoy.
No.
Okay. I don't know if this is gonna work. Oh wait, that's just the mouse.
Want me to spoon it?
Not yet.
Okay.
I want to see if this even freezes.
Okay. Yeah,
If
'cause
not-
this might be all for naught.
Oh, that's the.
That's the amount again. Should we put sprinkles on it?
Yeah, totally.
Who wants sprinkles?
Me.
I'll just put them on a few.
Okay. These are.
Put them on these.
What about the sides? Do it on the
Okay,
mound.
we gotta get
Okay,
it in
I'm
the
gonna
freezer.
freeze it.
So the ice cream's in the freezer. We're gonna let that sit for a little while. It was getting a little. It was getting a little soft. So I think we need to freeze it for a long
Chocolate
time.
syrup is gonna take a while to freeze that.
I know. I wish I bought the magic shell. They didn't have the magic shell at the store. I couldn't find it anywhere. I was at Shaw's.
The one. Did you look at the
Yes, I looked in the ice cream section. I spent a little while in the ice cream section. We're coming back, and I think, I don't know if you remember what it looked like earlier, but I think that this has risen enough for us to start messing with it. Ooh, that feels nice. Ooh, hey.
This is baking soda and water?
Mm-hmm.
What is this for?
This is for the end, and I think this is what you dip the pretzel in before you bake it, and it makes it like nice and crispy and golden brown.
Oh, okay.
All right, so all that aside, we're gonna go to Michelle Cam right now while I cut up.
I do a job.
Yep, and while I cut up some of the pretzel. So what I'm gonna do right now is this. Whee!
They were rolling it on.
They were rolling it?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so the first step, I'm gonna cut these, and I'm gonna cut these into 4.
Okay.
Does that sound okay?
Yeah.
That might be too big, but let's see what happens. I'm gonna do the first one, and then everybody's gonna roll out their own pretzel.
Ooh. So we all. It's like cutting lettuce.
So if this first one is too big,
Yeah.
we can go back to the drawing board.
I think that's.
Why are you rolling it into that?
You'll see.
You'll see.
Okay.
I can't roll it. It's not rolling. Roll, please. Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Now it looks like a snake.
Whoa!
Michelle
Yeah.
Cam. Michelle Cam.
Look what I'm doing with this thing.
Let's make
See.
it into.
Oh,
Need some water, maybe?
maybe.
I was thinking that was what it's for.
Yeah, I think that's what this is for.
No,
For the,
it's dipping. You have to dip it.
Dip dip dip.
Dip it, dip it, dip, 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 dip.
That looks pretty good.
You guys can make this at
You're gonna
home
put the pretzel
too.
in here?
You guys can make this
Before
at
we
home
do it,
too,
yes. I'm gonna
so.
put it right inside there.
It looks like Mickey has a little crap in his
Alright,
head.
This one.
I'm not short.
I
Just
am
kidding.
not sure.
Keep rolling. Keep rolling.
I can't be a It looks like sugar. We both roll.
It's not as doughy as I'd like it to be right now.
No. I mean,
You
we
think
did
you
make
should
it
buy
homemade,
No,
so.
I think it's all right. We'll see what happens. Okay. All right, you ready? Let's take it and let's get it rolled out.
Good job, Miles.
You, my good star.
I'm just kind of squishing it to move it out now.
It's so long, the camera, it doesn't even fit.
Okay.
Now it does.
Now we're gonna flip this one. And we're gonna flip this one.
You
And
know how to make pretzels?
I know how to make pretzels.
Remember, he's French.
And then
I
we're gonna-
used to make them with my own.
that. And then what? We're gonna flip this one.
Yep. Looks good.
And that's a Mickey.
Yep.
That's
The more you mess with it, the worse. So just leave it.
Okay, that's what they call a Mickey. Now it's. There you go.
So, I have to go last because I'm touching. It's the Michelle cam, and I don't want to. Once like Daddy records me, I don't want to touch the camera with doughy hands.
Yeah, I hear ya.
Look at that mess.
You need to be longer.
Oh, I do?
Yeah, you need to go way longer.
I'll tell you when
Any
you're
secrets
good.
to the trade?
Yeah. Don't try to be a perfectionist. Because it's gonna come out not that good looking.
Do, honey.
Now we made 2 loops.
Okay.
I don't think it was like that, but okay. And then
So
he
you want to take
twisted.
it like this. Really long one. This might be the best one yet. So
Okay.
we're gonna make 2 big loops,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
And there's your pretzel. And now we're gonna flip here.
Okay.
We're gonna flip here.
Yep.
And then you just need to
Put it together.
squish it here so it doesn't come apart. Wow! Mom has a really good looking one.
Mine is really flowery. Is that fine?
Yeah. No, you need to roll it.
Try like squeezing it out though. You want it to be long, remember? So do this.
I want mine to be long.
That's looking pretty good.
I want it really long.
That looks pretty long.
Okay, you ready?
Now.
Yeah, no, that way, yep.
And then. I saw it here.
Whoa!
Yeah,
That's
sorry.
close to the best one yet.
Yeah, that's pretty good, Michelle.
All right. We have to wait for the oven to heat up because I should have done that first. And then we're gonna dip these into some baking soda mix,
Yes.
baking soda and water, and then we're gonna put them on a tray after we clean up.
Mine kind of looks like a heart.
I see Mickey.
Adorable.
And then we're gonna put them in the oven and we'll see how they come out. They look pretty good, they smell pretty good. I think they're gonna be okay, right?
Yes.
All right, let's see what happens.
Now it's Minnie Mount Everest.
Here's all the Mickeys. They all look kinda not great, but I think they're gonna look pretty good
This
after
one
they're
right
done.
here is mine.
Somebody's is something. Somebody belongs to something.
Yeah.
All right, so what we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna take the Mickeys and I'm dipping them real quick in some baking soda and water. And then right on the tray.
And you spray it?
Yep, these are sprayed with some oil. Ooh, this one came out really nice.
Is that mine?
Maybe.
No, that's mommy's, I bet.
Yeah. And that's
There's
mine.
those 2.
No, that's
No,
yours.
that's mine.
Yep,
Then that's mine.
that goes right there.
That's mine.
And the last one.
And
I
mine.
think that's mommy's. No, that's Miles's.
Yep.
Hey Amanda,
Yes.
I'm pretty excited.
I know, me too.
You know why?
Why?
Because these are pretty awesome looking.
Yeah, they are.
Even if they don't look like Mickey's. Oh no, here they come. Oh jeez.
Just wait, they look so good.
Are you ready for this?
Look at that. Oh,
Dude, look at those Mickey Pretzels.
huge.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Yoink. All right, Kate.
Oh my god.
What do you think of those?
Those look.
I don't know if they're gonna be really pretzel-y. It could be more like a bread, but I mean,
It looks like a big soft pretzel.
I'm incredibly excited. What do you think?
I'm really excited.
Captain Mustard, do you think you'll be using some mustard on these?
I hate mustard.
You don't hate mustard.
Liar.
This is.
Can I try
Eat it.
No?
Does it taste like a pretzel or bread?
I don't know.
I want to try.
It's like really. Oh, it's interesting.
I want to try too.
It's weird. It definitely doesn't taste like a pretzel.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't.
does.
It's really
No,
good.
it's like a pretzel.
You think it does?
I-
All right.
Like a really soft pretzel.
All right. So we gotta let them cool for like 10 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna try them and take a picture with them.
Okay.
And yeah, I don't know. I'm pretty stoked.
Me too.
Me too.
They just. I mean, this doesn't look like a Mickey.
No.
This one kind of looks like the swan logo. What we are gonna do is we're gonna try them, and I think Mom is getting some dipping sauces. Anybody want hot sauce?
No.
Anybody want mustard?
No.
Well, I do. So here's my Mickey pretzel. Wow,
Hey, that's
this is
mine.
ridiculously big. It's like the size of my face.
Hey, this one's mine.
And this one is bigger.
That one's mine.
Get mine?
All right, they're done. We've taken a few bites.
Here, Michelle.
Oh, that's nice of you, Miles.
Thank you.
This is kind of like an afternoon snack slash a dinner kind of thing. All right, Miles,
Dinner.
what do you think? They came out bigger than I expected, so
Yeah.
they're more like bretzel than pretzel.
Yummy.
We got some dips.
Does it taste like Mickey? And we got some mustard and some chocolate and some buffalo sauce and some blue cheese to see how everything tastes.
It's not blue cheese.
I'm gonna do chocolate syrup. So
All right, let's do the chocolate syrup.
I was the one who suggested it.
I think it's great.
How's that spicy?
It's good.
Yeah? All right, so I am kind of into the mustard, and it's pretty good.
Oh, the mustard's good.
Mm-hmm.
It's not delicious. I know.
That's really good.
Yeah, I think the chocolate.
And mine is not cut in half.
And the ice cream was a total fail.
We don't know that yet. We're gonna look. We're gonna give the ice cream a couple of hours to sit and chill out. That's our plan. The pretzel, though, really doughy in the middle, is awesome.
You know, it might be yummy, like a garlicky.
Oh.
I did
Like
the
garlic and
salt is
oil?
amazing.
So I think we're gonna go do this. We're gonna eat, and then we're gonna check on the Mickey premium bars in a little bit.
Yeah.
And we'll see how they came out, right?
Let
This
you
is this is dinner.
Yeah, for the most part.
Yeah.
They're big
This
enough.
is the pie. Dinner.
Uh-oh. We messed it up again.
Fail.
They didn't. Okay, so I couldn't find the magic shell like I wanted.
Nailed it!
Nailed it. Couldn't find the magic shell like I wanted, and this is how it came out. It looks good.
It's just kind of sticky.
It's just really kind of sticky.
And I think it's like frostbite. That's the only reason it's staying together.
But yeah, it's staying on the stick okay, which I'm
Yeah.
happy about. So, nope, not a Mickey Premium
Fail?
bar. Mm-hmm. That is ice cream
What is
with
hot?
chocolate on it. Maybe we'll try again. In fact, now we need to do it again because this is crazy.
Third time's a charm. We'll try one more time.
All right, well, we're gonna go make dinner and probably eat some of these, and we will see you next time.
So the pretzels were a win. This premium ice cream sandwiches were a fail.
Yep.
But don't forget to bring home the milk.
Somebody needs us.